Hello, my name is Derek, and this is my amazing dog. Do you see this tree right here? This fucking tree is like huge. Well, it's pretty big. And I'm gonna go over here. You see that branch right there? There's the ground, there's the branch. Way up there. Like that. See it? Alright. Joey really loves his bone. He loves it. And he got it. He got it. One more try, shall we? One more. Alright, here we go, people. Here we go. Joey the Amazing. Come on, bud. Get your bone. Gotta hold on a second. Make him think I'm not looking. He got it. He's in there, dude. He's in there. Look at him, dude. He gets the bone and retrieves it like a good dog. This is Joey. Joey, look at the camera. Look. Yeah. You're amazing.